Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my favorite dish, pork stir-fry with holy basil. Wow! When I started cooking with pork, I finally knew why people had such strong feelings about using it in this pork stir-fry dish. Now we start preparing by cleaning our vegetables, string bean, and also holy basil. Holy basil has a calming effect that can help battle stress and give you a boost of energy. And it offers some antimicrobial benefits. String bean. String bean are full of fiber, which is an important nutrient for many reasons. String bean may help to improve the health of your heart by lowering your cholesterol level. The fiber in string bean help to keep your digestive system health and running smoothly. So now, let's jump to our cooking tips. We start pounding garlic and red chili pepper. Fish sauce, oyster sauce, salt, put holy basil with lower tip to keep it green. Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.